Today we're reviewing the Danielle LaPorte Desire Map, what I will do to feel the way I want to feel. This journal retails for anywhere between $34 to $347. And if you're wondering what the price difference is, it is simply the cover, because the interior is exactly the same between those two price points, but the $347 version has a little bit of foiling on it, a metallic foil, which quite honestly, you could probably buy your own metallic foil machine and a million metallic foils, and you'd still never reach $347. So I'm not sure who's buying those, but let's go ahead, take a look inside. And hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. This does have an elastic strap, but it's a little weird because this is the elastic strap like you would use for your hair. It's round versus the ones that are flat. I understood that to be different, or it was less expensive, but it is kind of awkward on a journal, in my opinion. She has a purple bookmark embedded inside there, and that's part of her branding and her colors. And on the back, she has Danielle LaPorte. I don't even know if you can see that. Sort of embedded inside of there. And it's just like at home if you had taken some powder and then used a heat gun on top of it. So over here we have her branding colors, which are that orange to purple, that ombre kind of look that was in style about 10 years ago. And then over here, this was actually printed in 2016, so this is a little older. This says the Desire Map, and it kind of walks you through her philosophy on that. And again, when I say her philosophy, all of the quotes in here are her quotes. They're not quotes from other people or, other inspirational quotes that you might have seen. There's an introduction page here, very short and sweet. And then each page is kind of pretty much the same. It has a header over here that says my core feelings and my core desired feelings, soul prompts, and the soul prompt might change a little. Here it says, where do you feel the pull to rebel? Today my heart feels, and then want to change and gratitude are also two buckets. So everything you see here in that brown color stays on every page. The parts in black may alter slightly. You can intentionally ignore some things, and gratitude put things into perspective. And then at the bottom, she has according to who, according to you. And over here, this page, it says exactly what it says on the cover with the brown says ideas, desires, wisdom, and that repeats on every page, ideas, desires, wisdom. But to me, the writing over here, I think was supposed to be really light, but it is so dark, I can't write on it and see my handwriting because this is just way too dark for me. And then over here, she has stream your consciousness. So each page where you can see the soul prompts change a little, so we'll read this one. What reminds you of who you truly are? What have you stopped doing that you'd like to start to do again? Why do you want it to be different? And even for what the challenges are teaching you, and get clear on who you're chasing, what you're chasing. And then over here, it says acceptance is medicine. So this is what I call a rinse and repeat. Every once in a while, she will throw one of these pages in, those quote pages. And again, this is her own quote. And then you get to the very end, and there's no sort of wrap up or anything. It's just kind of practice for you to do. And you can see there's nothing here on the back, to just go right into this every day. With these same sort of things. So there's nothing wrong with this. It kind of just puts you in that practice every day of answering all of these questions. But to me, with some of these journals, it doesn't really feel like you're moving forward in life. It's just kind of a repetitive thing that you usually kind of get sick of. What did you think of the Desire Map journal? It's the same thing that I had in the Gratitude Journal from Erin Condren, where each day kind of repeats, and they're so random that I don't feel like I'm moving forward. And that's why I teach a course called Incredible Workbooks versus Incredible Journals, because I feel like journals are not helping you to move forward in life, but maybe I'm the only one. So comment below and let me know what you think of the journal style inside of here, where every day is just kind of random. Or if you like my method, where you kind of are working towards something and there's an end goal in mind. All right, I will see you guys next week. Bye.